How to remove email from Snapchat account. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, go to your Snapchat. Then go to your profile icon. Then go to settings. After that, among several options, go to email and then delete it. So after that, save anything or just remove your email, and then you will be able to remove it or change it. But if you want to permanently change it, go to your help and support. But remember, you will have to have at least email or mobile number in order to use Snapchat account. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.